Here I have iPhone XS Max, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the iOS settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and choose General. From the following options you need to choose Reset, and from the Reset let's choose Erase all content and settings. So this will delete all media and data and also reset all settings. If you are aware of this, let's choose Erase iPhone and confirm the operation by tapping Erase iPhone again. You have to be aware that this cannot be undone. Let's tap Erase iPhone and the device is performing the hard reset operation. So let's wait a couple of seconds until the process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the hard reset is performing. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you can activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel with thumbs up under the video.